Hi guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluid Art Express. After me, we've got Patty from Letspourwithpattie, then Carrie from FlukieFluidArt, and last but not least, Bubbles from venomfluidart. So stick around and enjoy the ride. Today, I'm just going to have a play day. So what I'm going to do is throw some tunes on, kick back, relax, and enjoy. See you at the end.
Can you hear history calling you, calling me? Written in stone upon tablets that fade away. We will remain. Oh, look what we've done. The wars we won. We rise like the sun, but don't go down. I want it all. I want it all. So long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I'll wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say it. King, king, king. Long live the kingdoms will fall to mine is the only one. Written in stars like a sign of glory to come. Oh, look what we've done. The wars that we won. We rise like the sun, but it won't go down. I want it all. I want it all. Long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the. I know you've heard all the stories about me. Sometimes a legend is hard to believe. Yeah, I'll show you just how true they can be. Let's raise a glass to the king. Long live the king. Long live the empire. Yeah, I wear the crown till the world is burned down. I am king. This is my empire. I live for the sound as it moves through the crowd. Say, king, king, king. Long live the king, king, king. Long live the king.
Too much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, we keep going all night. Don't back down, the moment is now. Don't miss out, we're never turning around. The night is young, we're out and free. If you can, try to catch me if you can. Catch me if you can. We're renegades. We're renegades. They'll never see us cause we're moving the night. We're always ready if they put up a fight. I'll run, I'll climb, we'll outshine. You will run and think it's worth it to try. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, I think you've had enough, you've had enough. We're renegades. Yeah, we're renegades. We're renegades. Too much on the line, too much to give in. If you think it's over, then let's start it again. The planets align, the stars burn bright, the sun goes down, let's keep going all night. So listen up, I'm calling your bluff, calling your bluff. Yeah, give it up, think you've had enough, you've had enough. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades. We're renegades.
I'd move the world for your eyes, run through the fires for you. I'd put your love on my life, there's nothing I wouldn't do. I don't feel the same when I'm not with you. Coming to, oh, your love is dangerous. You make it dangerous. This is dangerous love. This dangerous love. This dangerous love. This dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. This dangerous love. This dangerous. It's dangerous, dangerous, dangerous love. I climb through your webs, jump off the edge of desire. Your touch takes me higher. Just give me your hands. We
truth is just a lie till it comes out. Said you're here to stay, but are you really down? Girl, pick up the phone. I've been calling for an hour, but it feels like forever when you're not around. I just gotta download. Think you need to come home. Fucking on my download. You think that I don't know? Yeah, you think that I don't know? You should know that I know. I know. I know that I've got red flags. I see them waving high. I've got red flags. I know what's on your mind. I've got red flags. You see them all the time. I've got red flags. Girl, you're not blind. You're not blind. You see it all the time. You're not blind. No, you're not blind. You see it all the time. You're not blind. No, and I know you've got problems. I try to solve them. You're talking to a problem. I'm the problem. Yeah, you've got me twisted right around your finger. You like to pull me in when you feel the symptoms. I just gotta download. Think you need to come home. Fucking on my download. You think that I don't know? Yeah, you think that I don't know? You should know that I know. I know. I know that I've got red flags. I see them waving high. I've got red flags. I know what's on your mind. I've got red flags. I see them all the time. I've got red flags. Girl, you're not blind. Red flags. I've got 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 red flags. I've got. You know I've got.
Everything feels out of place, free falling through time and space, peering down as humans race. They want everything. What will tomorrow bring? Everyone rolls on the edge, pushing silence off the ledge. The telling thing heard is lies. What will tomorrow bring? What will tomorrow bring? Be ready, the crash will come. Be ready, it'll come undone. When you're unsteady, hold your breath and run. Be ready, the crash will come. Be ready, the crash will come. Will evil or innocent save us
play day's just a whole heap of fun. There's nothing like just getting out in your little art room, throwing some paint down, and make it up as you go along. It's definitely a whole heap of fun. So give it a go, guys. Alright, up next we've got Patty from Let's Pour with Patty. Click on her name in the live chat and it'll take you to a premiere for today. Or if you're a member of Paint Pouring by Venom Fluid Art on Facebook, use the play all list, that way you get to see everybody on the Express and you won't get lost. Alright guys, that is it from me. So have fun, take care, I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.
Be ready, the crash will come. Be ready, it'll come undone. When you're unsteady, hold your breath and run. Be ready, the crash will come. Be ready, the crash will come.